One of those days today, Wednesday, that you could almost go skipping through the yard. It was that enjoyable right here on the western slope. Same cannot be said for the eastern plains. A little bit rowdy there. Highlighted in yellow is this thunderstorm watch box. Hundreds of lightning strikes, very active storm pattern. This is all part of an exiting system that we were talking about yesterday. In fact, low pressure system into the panhandle states right now, stationary front, so it's slowly dragging away. Meanwhile, we've had a great Wednesday here on the western slope. So one exiting system and one incoming system. This is the storm we've been talking about for the last couple of days. Born in the Gulf of Alaska, finally released by the high pressure system that was parked out in the eastern Pacific. Now it's dropping down. Now it's making roads inland. It does have a cold front. That does mean ahead of it we're going to get some of our warmest temperatures of the week. We're going to get some of our strongest winds. It also means behind it we'll have our rain and snow opportunities and colder temperatures, all because of this front working its way through the region. Incoming tomorrow, passing through by Friday night, and then we'll still feel the remnants of it through the weekend in the form of recycled storms on the backside of it, plus a little kicker on Sunday, another weak little system swinging quickly through, and that could be enough to charge up some pop and drop storms Saturday and Sunday. But the main event has to do with this incoming system on Thursday. As the cold front approaches tomorrow, it's going to draw in that southwest flow. Southwest flow is going to be warm, and it's going to create some dust. In fact, with the wildfires down in portions of Pagosa Springs, there may be a few of us, possibly Montrose County, I'm thinking Gunnison County mostly, should see some smoke being transported from the wildfires in southern Colorado. The further north you go, the stronger the winds are going to be. So if you find yourself in Rangeley, Craig, Meeker, that's where we're going to get some stronger winds. Windy and gusty just on the western slope and the central portion of the Tri-County area, and then down into the Four Corners region. We're just going to be looking at breezy conditions. I know that's a lot, but wind is in the forecast for Thursday as this system comes in. So is a chance of rain showers Friday morning, and there will be some snow falling in the mountain zones. Watch your travel commute. If you're heading eastbound to Denver, if you're going up and over the mountain zones, you're going to encounter not only blowing snow, but falling snow. Now, the ground has been warm, so anything that sticks to the road likely going to be just wet or not exactly packed snow, but the higher in elevation you go, you're going to run into some problems. Once that cold front passes through on Friday, we're going to be left with cloudy skies, partly cloudy skies, and below average temperatures. So we're going to get some cooling. When you compare Thursday to Friday, wait till you see those numbers. Right now, we're comfortable. 80, 85, kind of depends on where you are. High temperatures of the day today, middle and upper 80s, 82 for Montrose. We're supposed to be in the 70s. We're supposed to be a little bit cooler than that, but on Friday we're going to go about 10 degrees cooler than the average is in the mid 70s, but not before we really cook up tomorrow. A couple new members of the 90 Degree Club. Grand Junction should officially hit 90 degrees tomorrow, and if we do hit 92, that would be a tie for the record books. Wind speeds right now, you know what? Not so much. We can manage it. 10 to 15 miles per hour. Top wind gust of the day, I'm just going to call it 25-ish between the Tri-County area of Mesa, Delta, and Montrose. But we could easily double these tomorrow with our top wind gusts. We could see 45 and 50 mile per hour blasts. A lot has been happening with the hazards page as well. Red flag warning for Delta County, Montrose County. We also have a wind advisory now for the Grand Valley and the Uncompahgre Valley, along with the I-70 corridor. So that's a big deal. Red flag warnings, dry, windy, any open flames, any sparks quickly would spread out of control, threatening lives and property. Northwest corner of Colorado, these cities here are going to be under a high wind warning. Now that wind advisory is going to go all the way through the I-70 corridor, so you are going to feel wind tomorrow. Careful passing, semi-trucks, careful driving, high-profile vehicles. I haven't even mentioned the snow that we can encounter passing through the mountain zones of I-70. The Grand Mesa could pick up 2 to 5 new inches of snow. Under this winter weather advisory, Vail, Aspen, 4, 5, 6. Winter Park, Steamboat Springs, 5, 8, and 10 inches of new snow in the higher elevations. It's mid-May, but we knew that. Look at this temperature swing between Thursday and Friday for Grand Junction. We do get temperature improvement Saturday and Sunday. We will be looking Friday morning at our chance of rain showers. It's brief, but it's there, and it should be helpful if we can get it. We won't get a whole lot of warming Friday afternoon with cloud coverage and unsettled conditions, but Saturday and Sunday afternoon, recycling That's what we're going to be doing. On the backside of this system, there's still going to be enough juice left. And with the sun popping out on those afternoons, we could see some storms picking up and kicking down some gusty winds. So keep that in mind for the weekend. We do recover into the middle of next week, but this is going to be a doozy, especially kicking the wind, the dust, and the gusty conditions tomorrow afternoon.